And one time,
See, they are hacking lentils just like you.
one time in South Africa, my mom was eating ice cream, and then a monkey jumped from the tree down to her, grabbed her ice cream, and ran away with the ice cream. Yeah.
Liz, what just happened? Tell me.
We just had an accident.
Guys, crazy चीज हो गई भगवान कसम मैंने
I've been in India or in Delhi for not even 24 hours, okay? And already we have an accident. Yesterday I was so scared with you driving. You're like, no, I'm such a good driver. It's so safe. And now you made an accident.
Guys, I'll tell you what happened. Wait, let me stop my car here, then I'll explain you. See, I was driving, and there was 3 seconds left, and we are not making it out. I swear. You guys must be thinking he's making a story up.
No! You made an accident, not a story.
I can swear on anything. पता है क्या हुआ? There was a red light. 3 seconds बचे थे. मैंने सोचा निकाल लूँगा भाग के.
No, English.
Yeah. So there was 3 seconds left on the green light. So I was like, I'll make it. So I didn't see there was a, what was there?
There was an island. You drove against the island.
Yeah, मतलब ये था, मतलब ये होता है ना जो footpath. So I just drove over
And then the whole car was like...
and car was like, "Choo."
Yeah.
And then she was like, oh shit, we are
And then I flew against the seatbelt.
Really?
Yes.
Let me check my car again, guys. तो इसकी लाइट नहीं चलती, अब ये दिक्कत तो हो गई है इसमें. Oh. Oh, it's working. भाई भगवान कसम खा के कह रहा हूँ, ये जो था ना पूरा पहिया उस पे आ गया था यार. व्लॉग करना चाहिए था. Why didn't we vlog at that time, Liz? We were so scared. We didn't even vlog.
If you wouldn't have been on your phone, you wouldn't even have had an accident.
But why didn't we shoot that thing? We had accident. This could have been a really catchy thumbnail. Huh?
If you wouldn't have been on your phone in the first place, we wouldn't even had an accident.
यार कंटेंट क्यों नहीं शूट करा भाई भगवान कसम. ये जो था ना पूरा टायर पैंट से इतना बड़ा रैम था, इतना बड़ा, इस पे चढ़ा दी मैंने गाड़ी. थोड़ा मैं वो कॉन्शियस हो गया था. Liz, but we are content creator. We should capture these things. Why didn't you tell me? Utkarsh, capture.
Because I was scared.
You were really scared.
And I was shocked.
है ना?
Yes. That's the worst. See, Delhi is fine.
Yeah.
But the traffic in Delhi is not fine. That is very scary.
And my driving skills. बच गई भाई आज ये. यार कंटेंट बनाना था, रैंप पे चढ़ा दी थी यार. You know, I'm not that like...
You are good at other things. You're good at being a tour guide.
Yeah.
You're good at making vlogs. You're good at modeling. And bad at driving.
I'm super great at driving. It's just like some days are good, some days are bad. So today was not my day. But yeah, like see...
I think you can probably be a good driver, but only if you focus and you stop being on your phone.
Yeah, my father was calling me for something, so I was talking to him. So yeah. But I drove over the footpath, guys. But guys,
no, you drove against an island.
It was like this much big.
It was an island.
Yeah.
It was like this high. Like just against it. And it was like one of these pillars and it was completely folded.
Yeah. There was a pillar.
You folded that down 90 degrees.
But now I'm sad for one thing, guys. I didn't shoot the content of the... So...
I'm just glad we're live.
Yeah.
At this point. But we still have to go 2 more hours. This is kind of what is...
So guys, now Liz is scared, so let me drive carefully and
yes,
and let us reach home safely. Okay?
Okay. Thank you. Okay guys, for reference, this is what he drove against. This, and then this whole pillar did a 90-degree flip and it completely broke.
Guys, बड़े-बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं यार. चढ़ा दी. क्या हो गया? Why are you putting for like this? So guys, yeah, this was the pillar I drove into.
Yeah.
I should flash you.
Superman,
But guys, you know, today Hanumanji, Jesus, every god saved us because we went to the temple, guys. Otherwise, anything could have happened, right?
I shouldn't have praised your driving because now you're on your phone again.
See my driving skills now.
No! Dude, there are people on the scooter. You can't hit them. They have no protection.
Oh, right. You're so kind.
Yes.
Yeah, she's very kind, guys. So, guys, yeah, yesterday I came here to pick her up, Terminal 3. If you're coming to Delhi, you'll always come to Terminal 3 because that's the only international flight terminal. Okay, and if your flight is coming from Cambodia, you'll be 2 hours late. Okay, so
Yeah, it took so long. Okay, so what are we gonna do now? Are you hungry again?
I think
Let's meet my German friends. So my German friends are in Delhi now. They
Okay.
just arrived.
oh, so let's
Yes.
meet them.
Do you want to meet them?
Yeah, I love to
I
meet
think we
them.
should
Yeah,
meet them. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna start my trip with them.
Okay.
But today
Uh,
we can meet them.
So guys, tomorrow Liz is leaving me alone in this cruel world. How would I survive, guys? तुम्हें लगता है वो एक्टिंग ज्यादा कर देता भाई है ना? So yeah, how would I survive Liz without you?
I don't know. I hope you will. You managed also the last half year without me, right?
It was really tough.
Was it?
Really tough. I was watching my vlogs daily, which I shot with you. I was like, I was there physically, but mentally I'm with you.
You were still in Goa with
Yeah.
me.
So this is Delhi traffic, guys. Delhi traffic.
Can I drive?
In this traffic, you can drive.
Yeah, easy.
Easy peasy.
It's 2 kilometers per hour. I can do that.
Really?
Even someone that doesn't know how to drive can do that.
It's tough to drive in so close traffic, right? I'll give you in Gurgaon for sure.
No, I can do it. It's easy.
Easy.
No problem.
So let me find a space to stop the car and give it to you. She's so confident. So guys, आगे भाई घर पे जल्दी ready होते हैं and then let's go.
Hello.
Liz, you have just 5 minutes. Get ready. Then we'll.
Okay, I have to shower.
Huh?
I have to shower.
We just have 5 minutes. You have to do whatever you do in just 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then we are eating Indian food. Okay guys. अगर इतना थका हो तो मैं दिखाऊँ मैं कभी? आज थका हूँ. हाँ नींद नहीं आई थी यार. मैं बताता हूँ क्यों नहीं आई. क्योंकि ना सुबह पर्दे से ना लाइट आती है. तो सुबह 7-8 बजे लाइट आने लग गई थी. सोया था मैं सुबह 5 बजे बात कर रहा था तुम्हारी भाभी. ओके गाइस, ठीक है. जल्दी शेव करता हूँ, मुँह धोता हूँ, कॉफ़ी पीता हूँ, बस फिर नहा के निकलते हैं बाहर. क्योंकि भाई लिज रोज़ नहीं आती ना, कंटेंट निकालना भाई बहुत ज़्यादा आज. नहीं समझोगे तुम ये चीज़. बन रही है फिजिक? नहीं बन रही. बन रही है ना. क्रिएटिन चला हुआ है भाई इस टाइम. Guys, let's see who dance better. Come Liz. Liz,
It's not an insect
close
or
your eyes.
anything,
Close your
right?
eyes. Close it. Show me your hand.
Okay.
Have it.
Raisins.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So healthy.
Really?
Yeah.
Have some.
So guys, now we are heading out for dinner. We are
Yes.
meeting our friends from Germany.
Yes, they
And
just arrived. They
Can you just
landed.
back my car till here? Let's see. Let me see.
Yes.
देखिए तो सही, हवाबाजी पेल रही है सुबह से. Let me drive. बैठ गई भाई, बैठ गई. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see German skills.
So, first time driving in India, huh?
Let's see भाई. हाँ. ठीक है. ओके. लग रहा है तुम्हें देनी चाहिए नहीं देनी चाहिए? मेरे को लग रहा है नहीं देनी चाहिए भाई, क्योंकि अगर कुछ हो गया जिम्मेदार मैं हो जाऊंगा ना भाई. ठीक है, सीट आगे कर ली लड़कियों की तरह. ऐसे बैठेंगे बिल्कुल ऐसे. स्टार्ट कर दी. क्लच दबा के स्टार्ट करना आता है इसे? गियर चेक कर दिया कौन सा कैसा है. चलो लगा दिया रिवर्स. देखते हो. हैंड ब्रेक हटा दिया. लेट्स सी. भाई रेस ज़्यादा दे रही है लड़की. ओ चलानी तो आती है भाई इसे. चलानी तो आती है. बैठो क्या साइड में. रुक जाओ.
Alrighty, come inside.
Really, you know how to drive, right?
I do, yes.
Okay, then.
But I
Let's...
usually drive with the wheel on this side.
Okay.
Yeah, so in South Africa it's also on this side, but in South Africa I always take Uber.
Okay, then take this and take back, and we have to go this side.
Okay.
Let's see. It's third gear. This is third gear. This is first.
Okay.
Take like this. Wait.
For what?
We are not going straight. We are going back.
You said I have to go in
No,
there.
take U-turn. Yeah. Reverse and
Can
back.
I?
No, there's no space there.
No space?
Yeah. Take reverse. Reverse.
Okay. You know, I can't see anything because you're filming me with a flashlight. Is there a car behind us?
There's no car.
You sure?
Yeah. This will...
No car behind us?
Oh, wait. Where is this noise coming from? Wait. Take behind a little bit. Guys, वो उस फुटपाथ पे चढ़ा दी थी ना गाड़ी, तो उसकी हल्की सी आवाज आ रही. Nothing. Let's go. Drive it really slow.
Okay.
Yeah. First gear.
Do you know the way?
Yeah. Easy. Roll the window up. Let's go.
Okay. You know the way, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do I have to go?
Left.
Oh.
Guys, this is first time Liz driving in Gurgaon. Turn on the lights, Liz. Yeah.
Okay.
Take left.
I can't see anything. Okay. So I'm on the left-hand side, right? Left-hand side.
Yeah. Left hand side. Easy. Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Driving with Liz in India.
Slow. Liz, yeah. Second gear, yeah. She's not that bad, guys. I'm being honest with you. But let's see in the traffic how she drives. I've given her my car, which is very precious to me. Yeah.
You think I can do it? I don't know if I can do it. I'm just trying.
If you are not able to do it, let me know. We'll stop the car.
Okay. But is there space to stop in case I can't do it?
Yeah, you can stop on the side of the
Everywhere?
road. On the side of the road.
Okay, where do I have to go?
Take straight and right. Take it slowly.
Straight and right.
Slowly.
Okay.
Just see on the road on the right side. Slow.
Okay.
Wiper. We have to take right.
Oh, because everything is the wrong way. Here's the wiper, but I want to go right. On this, okay.
You can go right.
Huh?
You can take right. You have to see this side and go. Wait.
Oh,
So much
shit.
traffic.
Wait.
So much traffic.
I'm on the middle of the road.
Yeah, take reverse.
Oh my god. Is there
Yeah.
someone behind me?
Wait. There's someone behind you. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everything is the wrong side.
Wait, I'll give you on that empty
The
road.
indicator is on the other side.
So yeah.
The cleaner is on the wrong side. Oh my god.
You can drive or no?
Can you drive?
Yeah, I think so. भाई इनके लिए उल्टा होता है ना, इनका गियर मतलब इनका स्टीयरिंग उस तरफ होता है. You lazy girl.
No, I just don't want to break your car or us.
So yeah, guys, they have steering on that side. The indicators are on this side. So
Yeah.
can you explain them?
Okay. So everything is like, I thought only the traffic is the other way around, but also, you know, this, even though this is the same way, if you use it with your left hand, it feels like you're doing it the other way. And then the indicator for us is on the left side, but for you guys, it's on the right side.
Yeah.
No, for you it's on the right, for us it's on the left. For us it's on the left, for you it's on the right.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
So I wanted to put the indicator, but then I started cleaning the windows in the middle of the highway. So then I decided maybe this was enough driving for today.
Yeah.
I was driving though. I was driving.
But she was able to
But
drive.
I was-
Like it's
yeah, I
really
was
tough.
driving.
It's really tough to take off the car. She was able to take off and like take left and right. It's just like these things are.
I just stopped on the highway because I thought I don't want to endanger other people with my
Yeah.
little experiment. See, this guy has no lights on and he's on a bicycle.
Yeah.
And if I'm here, knowing what I'm doing, what if I kill him? You know?
Yeah, then we both go to jail.
Yeah, and I don't want to hurt anyone.
Oh, Guys, you should stop on red light, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, now we're meeting my friends.
From Germany.
Yes.
Let's see how her friends are. She's really nice.
Yes. The blonde one is called Gigi,
No, Gigi.
and the one with black hair is called Yalin.
Brown hair Gigi, black hair Yellen. Okay. Gigi Yellen. Okay?
Yeah.
Guys, be excited. Gigi Yellen. Gigi Yellen.
Yeah. And then there's one guy, but I don't know him.
Huh?
He's
German.
an Indian guy.
Indian guy?
Yeah.
Where did them meet him?
Today.
Today?
Yeah.
Where?
It's the friend of a friend, and they're meeting a friend of a friend.
These guys are really nice. Indian guys are really nice, so we get gel up really well. Okay, tell me the top 3 Indian guys you have met till now.
No.
It's a controversial thing. She's like, I can't take his name. Oh, I can't take his name either. I can't take his name either. It will be controversial. Someone will be sad, so that's why she wanna make everybody happy.
Tell me the 3 top German girls you know.
Top 3 German girl. Liz.
Yeah.
Liz.
Hi. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now we are going to most expensive area of whole of Delhi. You know that?
Oh, really?
Where are we going now?
Fancy
It's
schmancy
the
fancy.
most fancy area you'll ever see in North India.
Ooh.
Yeah. The flat there's a flat Camellias. It costs around, how would I say it? 100 crores. Like 7 crores is 1 million. So 70 million euros
70 million euros for what?
for one flat.
No, I don't believe you.
Yeah.
I think you're doing the conversion rate wrong.
No, I'm doing it
Okay,
correctly.
how much in rupee?
In rupees, 100 crore.
So it's 100 crore rupees.
100 crore rupees.
One apartment.
One apartment. It must be minimum 10 million euros. Okay guys, now I'll show her the most fancy apartment of Delhi.
Yeah.
Then we are going to, I won't be eating, they might be eating, so they are eating some South Indian food. And I'll see her friend, how are her friends, and yeah. She's leaving tomorrow, otherwise she would have met my friend. You know my friend, Akash. Yeah.
Ah.
She had a word with him in the morning on the call, right?
Oh yeah. I spoke to him on the phone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chalo guys, let's go. See you at the cafe.
Yeah.
Yeah.